Check.
Check.
Say, every move I make. Okay.
Every heart you break.
So it's been an ongoing saga for me because it drives me nuts. I've been dealing with audio, recording audio, making music, trying to record things, and 3 out of the 5 times we recorded this, I got the audio okay. 2 of the times, it was always something, so I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
We're running around like a chicken with your head cut off.
It's been one of those days. What's up?
What's going on, baby?
No.
So we've had a busy week last week.
Yeah,
We were very busy.
Last week was good.
First, I wanted to discuss. You've had some auditions.
I did.
That we filmed. I filmed.
Yeah, you shot them for me. Well, I did one of them myself.
Yes.
I take the work seriously, but I try to not take myself too seriously. I'm ready to lock in and make this the best live show on the road.
And
So
I want you to tell us about that because it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
it almost seemed like all on the same day I came across 2 different auditions. 2 completely different auditions. One being for T-Pain's band, who wanted a band from Atlanta, so it's like I could do that. And then another one was for, I believe the show is called Hillbilly Therapy. Wait, was
No.
it Therapy?
No.
Hillbilly, it's
Something hillbilly.
Hillbilly something. So I took them, I made it like a mission, you know. I was like, I want to do these 2 auditions, you know. Nothing will ever come out of this, you know, but we'll have fun doing it. We'll just shoot.
Yeah.
And so the T-Pain one, that was fun because I just mic'd up the guitar, put a light up, and played guitar to some hip hop beats that I've downloaded, like 3 or 4 different things, and I just had fun, like just playing.
It was awesome.
My name's Brad. I am from Woodstock, Georgia, and I am thrilled to be throwing my hat in the ring.
So let's talk about the hillbilly audition.
The Hillbilly audition was, we actually put some thought into it.
Mm-hmm.
And I had a song that I had written maybe in 2008, maybe 2009. And I submitted it to a guy that had a hunting show that you and I had seen. And lo and behold, he used the song on the show.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. So I took the lyrics to that song and thought, well, that'd be good for the audition.
This dude named Ronnie Smith, he hunts for a living. You give a redneck money, this is what they're gonna give you. He didn't go to college for a science degree, but he can gut a deer and he can climb a tree. He can shoot a hog, a turkey, and a big old buck. A management dough, and once he even shot his trucks. That's Ronnie Smith, and that's what's up. I don't even think I need to say more.
So I just kind of did that thing. But what I did was I put it, you know, I got into character, ripped sleeves off of a flannel, and put a wife beater on and a hat. And when we went out there, I had one idea, and that was to sit out there and do this thing, tell them who I am, be done. And we sat, and we got a couple of cameras out, and lo and behold, like we're doing this thing, and at the end, like something sparked an idea for me, and I did this thing at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what caught his attention.
Hey guys, my name's Brad Fleming. I'm from Woodstock, Georgia, and I'd really like to be part of your program. If you need anything from me, I got you. But
You know, so being that I uploaded it to YouTube, I can see if anybody watches it. And it didn't get watched, and then it did. And then my phone rang not too long after that because we started to communicate a little bit. And he had an odd request for me.
What was that?
So when he called, he was beating around the bush. Like, so the cast may not feel comfortable in a situation we need, and that's for them to interact with a homeless person, and we're not sure how they would react. So and I said, are you asking me to play a homeless guy?
Which is really funny because you've played that type of character before.
I did. I played a hobo. Right.
You did.
That's right. So I said yes,
Yeah.
obviously. So apparently I got the part.
That's
but it'll
awesome,
just be
babe.
one thing. It's for a pilot TV
Yeah.
show, so it'll be super fun. And it's just getting to jump into another sandbox.
Yeah. Can't say no to things.
Nah.
Can't say no.
I don't know if anything were to come of the T-Pain audition. I know now that it's been viewed several times. So, there are great guitarists here in Atlanta, and like they've always said, guitar players are a dime a dozen. And I'm not great, but I enjoy it. So I figure, what the hell? I'm going to throw my hat in the ring. And, if God thinks this is what I need to do, then he'll make it happen. I told you that day after we had submitted both of them, I said, how crazy would it be if both of these things, both of these things actually happen?
Yeah. That'd be, I mean,
Hey, 50%
I would
ain't
love
bad.
it. I would love it.
That would be cool.
It would be fun and exciting and something different.
Yeah, that would be pretty wild. So thanks for helping me do all that because, all these things can't just be done with one person.
But with me being able to do it, I'm learning as well.
That's right.
So if it takes us a few shots, that's okay because I'm learning.
Yeah, and we'll show you. Most
Some
likely,
clips.
we're going to put some clips in here. Enjoy.
Oh, y'all will love it.
They say you got to dance like nobody's watching.
And another funny story, didn't one of our friends hear you sing?
Oh my gosh, that's right. I was back there. So just to set the scene, I'm in my backyard with an acoustic guitar and singing a song. And that's not a really quiet thing. And as I'm doing it, I can see the street that comes in front of the house. And I'm thinking, I hope nobody comes by.
Yeah.
I hope nobody comes by.
And we didn't see anybody.
Didn't see anybody. Cut to the Super Bowl that night. 3 hours later, we got a friend that says, hey man, were you in your backyard singing earlier? I said, why in the hell would you ask me that? He was a street over.
Yeah, one street over. Yeah, you came to me immediately. We were like, guess what? So that was pretty funny.
Yeah, that was good stuff.
And then let's see. This past week we were at the law firm and got to work with Hammers Law Firm. Go on site. It was different for me. It was something new, but I enjoyed every bit of it because
cool?
I am such a people person, and I got to. I say I'm a people person. I guess when I'm in small situations, I'm a very people person because I want to get to know somebody. And they were very personable.
Oh, yeah.
And when we were in there doing, letting them talk about their subjects, you could see that passion, that they were talking about. So I really enjoyed that aspect, as well as fighting with lighting and understanding.
Hey, light's light. You just got to have it where you need it. That's the trick.
What else? Oh, my big boo-boo. I thought I had the mic cords for the lavaliers tucked all the way in. Rookie move for April because I am a rookie. I'm not a pro like him.
Oh, I've
I
screwed it up
could
several times.
see it.
Pardon me while I go let my dog in.
Jack, lay down. Don't give me those eyes.
Doodles. You know, am I right? Lights and lavaliers, look, there's always something that you're not going to get exactly the way you want. And it all comes down, it's not a capability thing. It's not an issue of not knowing what to do. Oftentimes it is things are moving fast.
Mhm.
You know, we had ample time to get set up, but once we were set up, everyone rolled through at their designated time. So we're trying to, accommodate them because they're busy, right?
We're working on time. It's not
Oh, the
a
time,
matter-
yeah, and specifically with Rob, I feel like when Rob gets there, everything needs to just be smooth, get him in, get him out, so he can get back to work. And, it just happens. And it happened. And there's AI tools that, may be able to mitigate most of it. They may not even care, but point is things will happen. You just have to do it better next time.
Yeah.
Don't let the same thing happen. It'll be something else, But just always try to be thorough. And that was like your second time going on to a shoot. I've been going for like 5 years now, and they still say it takes 10 years to become, an awesome videographer.
The master.
So I don't think there is a way to really master it. I think as long as, we always focus fundamentals first, get the exposure right, and let's get everything in focus. Make it sound good, everything else in lit well. And then it's all accoutrement and set declaration and just really, finding the extra thing that separates you from maybe having a different angle or perspective sometimes. I think you did awesome.
Thanks.
High five. We do lots of high fives here, apparently. So, yeah. That
You're
was a lot
making
of
me
fun.
nervous.
Hammer time. We'll take the footage from what we did last week and chop it up into individual assets for different formats. We'll create some sort of a look, that's branded with their colors and fonts and just kind of everything tied together so everything that we deliver is cohesive. And it'll give them a couple of months worth of material to roll out, maybe. Depends on how fast they roll everything
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. It was a lot.
Yeah.
But it was fun. It was a full day.
Yeah.
But it didn't feel like a full day, if that makes any sense, because it
Well,
rolled
we were
well.
occupied, and it was enjoying.
Yeah.
And like one of the partners said that she was going to Athens, the night that we were there to meet someone, and she was like, man, she's going to see the drive-by truckers. I wish I could get a ticket.
Mm-hmm.
And it turns out we
knew
some
someone
people that are out in Athens right now for school, and they were able to score the ticket. However,
She was not able to go.
she wasn't able to end up going, so the connection was made though.
Yes.
She was super cool. I'd like
I
to
like
have
her.
her as my attorney. Yeah, she's cool. I
Yes.
mean, Rob's my number one, obviously.
Yes. She's very passionate.
Now, Pookie. I need an
Pookie.
update about our boy Pookie. Hashtag
So-
Pookie, fight for Pookie.
He had his first set of chemo treatments last week.
Didn't we get a phone call
And
after that?
We did. He called me, which melted my heart, and we got to talk. He tolerated his medication good while he was there, but once he got home, he wasn't feeling so well. So he had, some side effects. The thing that, killed him the most is he has 3 dogs, and he was not able to interact with the dogs until Friday because the doctor was scared that the dogs would hit the port because the one chemo med he takes, it's over like 2.5 days. So he goes home with it.
Mm.
But Friday, when they unhooked it, he was so excited that
bet.
he was able to play with the dogs. He's a dog
The
lover.
creatures that give you the most enjoyment, like just by being there.
Yes. So that's our update on Pookie. And
Spirits are high.
oh my goodness, his
Which
spirits
is
are
awesome.
so high.
Awesome, but he's always got a spirit like that. Though.
He does.
Free
And
spirit.
He's
Oh,
so
Pookie.
funny.
I love you, Pookie.
Oh, love him. But yeah, so we're all in this fight, and I'm gonna go sit with him, I think, at his next treatment and spend the day.
Okay.
And we're gonna play some games and stuff and stay occupied.
Yeah, and if you guys have any suggestions on what we could do to pass the time together with someone,
Yes.
hey, let us know.
Come on,
Drop a
bring
line
it,
in the
bring it.
comments. Please like and subscribe even, maybe, if you would like. We would love that.
And we do have, we can also drop a link if people want to buy a shirt.
We'll get a link. I will post a link, and I will put that in the notes.
Yep.
For the shirt.
Yes, the Team Sean shirt.
Team Sean.
So the times he has chemo, send him some videos and let him know that we're supporting him.
All right, so here's what we need to do. We need to sell all those Sean shirts to get them all in the into the market. What we then need is we'll get Fight for Pookie shirts after they sell all of the Fight for Sean shirts, Team Sean shirts. So Fight for Pookie coming at you. We'll have all the information.
Yes, we'll put it in
We'll put it
in
down
our
in the
description,
description.
you can get to it.
And this weekend we go back to GBS. This week we go to the garage.
I'm so excited.
We get to do some interview setups with the driver and whatnot out in the garage and get some B-roll and finish off this little press kit. That
Yes,
we're putting
I'm
together.
excited.
So, all right.
Fun times.
Good
Fun
times.
times.
So, all right.
Till next week.
Love you, baby.